Welcome to the Ruffled Daisy. Today I'm going to show you how to put one of our DIY kits together of these adorable wooden watermelons with, oh my goodness, check out that little ant. So the first thing that you're going to do, you're going to have a smaller piece and then a larger piece. We're going to paint the edges of them green. We're just going to kind of make the watermelon of the rind, and you can tell that I have not taped this off. I am simply eyeballing it. If you like things to be a little bit more perfect, you are welcome to tape it off so that you have a crisp edge for your rind. Once you've done your green, I did take some yellow paint while it was still wet and added that just to give it some highlights and help the rind just look a little bit more natural because it gets lighter as it goes to the inside of the watermelon. Next up, we're going to paint our adorable little ant. Who knew ants could be so cute? Make sure you're going to get in all of the little crooks and crevices. This is a tiny ant, and so you're just going to need a little paintbrush to get in all those areas, and then paint the outside of it, and oh my goodness, he's going to look so cute when I'm done, and you are absolutely going to fall in love with this ant. To paint the actual watermelon, you can use a red paint or a pink paint. I am a huge fan of pink, and so I used a really dark pink in order to do ours. Make sure you paint the top because these are going to be like little shelf sitters, and so you want all of the edges covered. Once your paint is dry, I am just adding some highlights and dimension with some white paint, and then we will add some black as well that you will see here soon. So I'm just kind of lining the rind and lining the inside of the watermelon, and that is it. This is super simple. You do not need to make it any harder than what it is. Now we're adding some little black dots, and I'm using the end of my paintbrush in order to do that. I'm just dipping it into my black paint and creating those. For the watermelon seeds, these are going to be so fun. All you have to do is do like a little kind of an apostrophe, make it a little bit thicker. I did use the end of my paintbrush for that as well. So easy. It is one of those things that a lot of people overthink and worry about getting perfect, and you really don't need to do that at all. Next, we're going to dress up our ant. He is adorable. This has got to be my favorite ant ever. I just fell in love with him. I added some white to his little feet and his body just to give it a little bit more character, and you can see here that I'm adding just a little bit more white to the seeds and the dots on the watermelon. Once you have all of that, you're going to want to take some ribbon. This was just a fabric that I got from Walmart that I tore into strips to make the ribbon. Glued the adorable little ant on, and check out these watermelons. These are going to be perfect no matter where you want to sit them in your home. If you loved this DIY and love all things home decor, please visit theruffleddaisy.org for tons more inspiration. Thank you so much for watching.